So here we have this question from Edexcel board, June 2017. So it's basically related to indices. Here we can see that 16 raised to power 1 over 5 into 2 power x equals to 8 raised to power 3 over 4. So what do we have to do here? Basically, we have to make the same basis. How we can make the same basis? So in the first step, we can see that we have 16 power 1 over 5. Let's say you have 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 is basically 16. So I think I can write this down as 2 raised to power 4. ये 16 हो जाएगा और इसके बाद we will write 1 over 5 into 2 raised to power x equals to, alright, so over here what we can do is, we know that 2 raised to power 3 is 8. अगर मैं इसको ऐसे करके लिखूं 2 into 2 into 2 is basically 8. So we can write it as 2 power 3. Alright, so I can replace 8 with 2 raised to power 3 and write 3 over 4 over here. So when I multiply the powers, 4 into 1 over 5, it will become 4 over 5. Sorry, let's change the color so that it's prominent. 4 over 5 x, and 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 over 4. Now let's write the basis. 2 and 2. So now we have same basis. You can see that this is 2, this is 2, and this is 2. We have same basis. Like we know that in law of multiplication, in indices we have law of multiplication, law of division. So in law of multiplication, what we do is, we should know that when our bases are same, you can add the powers. So over here what you will do is, you will write 4 over 5, ignore the bases now, plus x equals to 9 over 4. So now you're dealing with powers and ignoring the bases. Here we added the powers because there is a sign of multiplication, so we are applying law of multiplication. So we are adding the powers. What we will do is, we will move this 4 over 5 on the opposite side and make x the subject, because we have to find the value of x. X equals to 9 over 4 minus 4 over 5. And when we will solve it, obviously, you have to take the LCM of 4 and 5, and it's 20. We will multiply this with 5, multiply this with 5, multiply this with 4, this with 4. So it's going to be like x equals to 9 5s are 45 minus 4 4s are 16 over 20. 29 over 20 is your answer. So it's very important that, for example, if you are, you are given this with this equation, and you have to find any power, then what you have to do is, you have to make the basis same and then apply the law of indices. It depends on the sign. If it's division, if let's say that instead of multiplication there is a division sign, you will apply law of division and then you will subtract the powers. But over here, because we have a multiplication sign, so we will apply law of multiplication, and since the bases are same over here, so we will add the powers, 4 over 5 plus x, and then equate it with the power of 2. So yeah, this is how you will solve this question. I hope it's clear.